Hi, I'm Cara Graver at the Cobb Studio, and I'm here to show you rib-type knitting. Ribbing is something that you might use for the top of a sock. It makes what you've knit stretchy. It might hold on to a wrist if you're knitting gloves. And here's how it goes. This is just regular knitting, and ribbing is a combination of knitting and purling. And often it's knit 2, purl 2. That's what I'm going to show you. So you knit 2 stitches, and then you always have to pull your yarn toward you for purl. Knit 2, purl 2. Now we have to take that yarn back to the other side for knitting. Knit 2, purl 2, knit 2. And it really does help if you just keep saying it, because sometimes you get confused about where you are. After a while, you'll be able to tell by looking whether you did a knit or a purl. And certainly after you've done a few rows, it's very clear that you're on track. I'm Cara Graver at the Cobb Studio, and that was rib-type knitting.